Hello everyone, welcome to the NTech. In this tutorial, today we are learn about the how we get and retrieve data from the Hive. In the last tutorial, we are add data using the dialog box. So we start the and first of all I open my Windows Studio. Yeah, perfect. So we in the last tutorial we get the data in a Hive database. In this tutorial we get the data from the Hive database and so in. So first of all we create expand widget. Expand widget is a whole the external part of the in use part, which is not used in column, used by column. It access the in use part of the widget. We create a value listenable builder and return a box of to do model object. In the value listener, we get the Hive data dot get data and listenable. In get data, it is a Hive boxes method to get the data from the to do key. In our last tutorial, we are not showing. So first of all, show the last tutorial. After that, we create a builder, and in builder we context and box how we build and the chart, and we cannot define a chart, and we can return a perfect. We can return a list view, not list view. We can return a list view dot builder, and list view dot builder in item builder context and index, and return a column widget. So for the user friendly, we use a card in wrap with a column. Yeah, perfect. In children. Done. So how we get data from the Hive database? So we wrap the column into a padding widget. For the get data from the Hive database, we create a data variable. In the data variable, we can get the value from the box object and box dot get box dot value and convert to the list and cast as a to do model. So we note that the data is a object of the to do model. Data is a list of the to do model. Yeah, perfect. In the children, we show the text, title, description, and the title. In the column, we show the title and description. So we create a text widget and text. In the text, we use the data list and index dot title, and another is the data index dot description. The default column value written in the center, so we use a cross axis element to the left side, so we title and description. Yeah, perfect. I think some errors show. This error is occur because we not use a item count in list view dot builder, so I can use the item count. In the item count, we get the length, so we use the box dot length. Perfect. We simply add the data in our local machine. So we open the it, click on it, and here can we write the Hive database, a simple database, and add to do. So here we can show the our value is show in the list view. The main code is work in our Hive boxes class. Here we can write our get data method. It can get the data, and the valuable listener is when the data is added into the to do key Hive box. It can get the data, and the variable listener is listenable when it can add data and get data. So it can return the value and update our UI. Yeah, perfect. So I can just show our method, how we get the data and add the data. First of all, I format it, and here is the usable readable code. The expand widget, it can hold the in use a part of the column widget, which is not used by column children. The main logic is work in our Hive boxes class. Here we can get the data of the to-do model, and here we can get the data of the object in to-do model. So I return this value in the same format of the to-do model. Yeah, perfect. In the next tutorial, we are learn about how we delete and edit the data in a Hive database, and how we swipe, delete, and in the next week I will start a new series in get extra block state management. So subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.